I got back from the National Farm Machinery Show a little bit ago. And I come home with a pretty good load of toys, and I'm gonna try to start doing some toy reviews of the stuff I get. Well, let's get in it. They've already been out of the box. Case IH hay set. It's got a 210 Farmall. I don't know how would that come through the camera. It's a pretty nice tractor. I've got two of these. Come with this 8312 hay mower. We got one similar to it. We really like it for our farm. That's our main mower. I'm gonna call this a Heston V-Rake. Or Case IH, I don't know which one. Pretty wide. And it comes with a RB 564 baler. I got 3 of these balers. Coincidentally, also going through bales. And I also got I'm going to do this as a 9210 or 9220. Case IH quad track. Nope, it's a stagger. I'm doing the same thing. I don't know much about quad tracks. And then found me one of these that's affordable with all the attachments. You got a two 72D cat skid steer. '29.7D skid steer on tracks. Got 2 of these brushes, I guess you'd call them. And 2 post hole diggers. 2 buckets, and of course 2 pallet forks. I'm really glad to get the pallet forks. Alright, let's get into a little bit deeper details here on this. This one's got these brushes here. We got a spinning rubber brush. Post hole digger don't spin, but pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it there, how it hooks to it. Alright. Then you got the mower center pivot. And that's got a yellow one. And the crimpers back here spin, which I thought was always pretty cool. Then you got this V-Rake. All these spin. Wheels spin. I got a Deere one. pretty ugly. That's the main reason I bought this. So I get this. I'm gonna call it a Heston. Get Bayor. I like any other 1/64 scale Bayor. Bayor. This spins. Of course, this comes open. And you got this quad track. Track's awful hard to spin, but pivots both directions. The first thing I kind of noticed is the hitch is awful high. I mean, it's high. It ain't got no numbers on it. I think this is more of a play version of it. I mean, it come in a pretty old box. I mean, there's the box to come in. I thought it was pretty cheap. It was $20. And then I got, I kind of forgot about these. One booth. I got this 80-foot Westfield auger. I like it. I got a gray and red one. I think gray and red, yeah. If it don't, my help with this was here. I don't think it did much different. And then I got this elevator here, Cobb elevator, for ain't hay grain elevator. I actually got two of these. One's old and one's fairly new. This is the old one. Let's see if I can find it. I'm gonna show y'all this. There's a piece of it. The one I had before. My brother got a hold of it. But overall, I think I had a pretty good haul. What do y'all think?